squirrel hunting's a lost art. I mean, it's not something that people, people don't do a whole lot of squirrel hunting anymore. I did target practice the other day. I shot it today a little bit. Had my, hunting season starts tomorrow in Alabama, and my son, he's wanting me to line his rifle up while he's at work this morning. So he said, line my rifle up, make sure it hits. So he's heading there later this afternoon and go hunt opening day in Alabama. So.
Well, that sounds like fun.
Oh yeah, it is. It's great, man. I love it. I love that hunting. Man. I love that deer hunting, duck hunting, squirrel hunting, whatever. Everything under the sun. So.
Wait a minute, aren't we supposed to go squirrel hunting?
Oh, absolutely. We're going to squirrel hunt. I'll take you squirrel hunting. Squirrel hunting's a lost art. I mean, it's not something that people, people don't do a whole lot of squirrel hunting anymore. All the old timers still do it. Or a few of the old timers still do it. They hunt, but it's I like it because it's real hunting, man. You're in their element. You go in their element, and it's not like that. I say in their element. The squirrel is not. He knows you're not supposed to be in the woods. He knows you're not supposed to be there, and he's got every advantage over you. He's a lot smaller. His eyesight's a whole lot better. They don't smell as good, and the scent not something that's going to give you away. But if you step wrong in the squirrel woods, he's not going to show up. He's not going to show his face. He's going to lock up. So.
Well, wait a minute. How are you saying squirrels smell good?
They don't smell like a deer does. I mean,
right.
So the advantage a deer has over a squirrel is a deer is more wind related. You know what I'm saying? He's going to smell. He's going to rely on his nose a lot more than a squirrel would when it comes to predators in the woods.
Okay.
But anyway.
So you're saying the deer can smell humans?
Absolutely. They know. They know.
And squirrels cannot.
And so one thing people say, squirrel hunting, there's nothing to it. There's no sport to it because you can just shoot all you want in your backyard. Well, you don't shoot the ones in your backyard.